Today I am going to explain how to change WordPress admin login URL to your own login URL. That is very important for the security of your websites. Let's see. First of all, you have to log in to your admin. Then click on Login and Add New. We need to install iTheme security plugin. You can search iTheme security plugin. Here it appears on. Then install. After click on the active button. The installation is completed. Now there appear security tab. Click on it and go to the settings. You can see many modules. Now you search for hide backend module. Click the configuration settings. Click on enable the hide backend feature. You can change the test login slot, which is you prefer to use instead of WP admin. I put my test log and save it. Now log out. Now open new browser. I try using WP admin login. But I can't log in. It redirects on page. Now I use my custom URL. It successfully login. That is the best security for your WordPress websites. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.